Folks, if you want to know how to make a really tasty fried catfish, well, you found the right recipe right here. This delicious catfish is absolutely a true gem. Hello, welcome to Texas Cooking Today. This is a recipe version. Folks, this is a beautiful recipe I'm about to cook up for you. But if you don't get enough information in this video, next one, that's a tutorial. But for now, let's get in there and let me show this off. Come on. Oh, that's some good looking fish. Guys, this is fried catfish, and it is a very simple, kind of an old time, old style type of way of battering catfish. I've had this as a boy, and in fact that's where I learned this. When I was young, I used to do a lot of fishing, and after I'd catch my fish, I would clean them and I'd batter them up and I'd fry them. And so what I want to do is teach you the same kind of battering technique I've been using on this fish my whole life. Now this works good for a lot of different kinds of fish. You can also do trout in addition to catfish. You can do flounder, you can do tilapia. Any nice thin flat fillet of fish works really good with this recipe. So I'll tell you what, let's get over here. I'll show you what to do to make this wonderful and simple battering technique. Come on. We have some wonderful ingredients here. Now, so you'll know today I'm going to be using peanut oil to fry in. You can use anything you'd like. Personally, I like the flavor of peanut oil, so that's what I prefer to fry in. But you can fry in any regular cooking oil for this. Pick out some fish that you'll enjoy, whatever flavor you prefer. If you want to go with catfish, do that. Today I'm going to be using this tilapia. Also, for our other ingredients, we have eggs, milk, some cornmeal. Back here I have a little bit of flour, some pepper, and salt. Over here I have some more flour, and I'm going to show you how that we can work all of this as a wonderful batter. This is a very tasty way of doing fish, and once you've tried it, I think you'll be hooked. Guys, when you're going to be frying up your fish, get your pan set up. You're going to need oil in it about a ½ inch deep, and then you want to also use a cooking thermometer. That can help you a great deal. So I recommend getting something like that. You can use a candy thermometer, a fry thermometer. They all work just fine when it comes to knowing what the temperature of your oil is, and it is very important. We're going to be cooking this today right about 320 degrees. First thing that we want to do when we're setting up our batters is crack your eggs into a bowl. I want to use this one. I'm going to beat those with the milk, all right? So that'll be your wet mix. We have our eggs and the milk beaten together. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this flour in one bowl and these ingredients together in another bowl. I'm just going to mix them all together. So I'll do that next. All right, now what we're going to do is take those two fillets and we're going to first dust them right down in our bowl of flour. Once dusted in flour, then we're going to place that in the milk and egg mixture. Once fully wet with that, we're going to roll it in the cornmeal, and then folks, we're going to take it and put it right down in this pan of hot oil. Folks, once you get your fish in there, it does not take long for these to cook. Keep your temperature around 320, 325, which is right about where mine is there. And it's only going to take a few minutes on each side. You'll get a lovely golden brown color when they are correct. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. These are just about ready to come out. As soon as the bottom is the color of the top, it's done. Now folks, on the quantity of what we were using, when we started with dusting our fish, we used some flour, and that was about 1 cup of flour that I started with. It depends on how many fillets you're doing. You may end up having to use more, or this just for 2 is a little bit too much. We also used 2 eggs, 1/2 of a cup of milk, and then on our dry mix that we did, that was 1 cup of cornmeal and 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Made a wonderful batter, as you've already seen. Well, folks, we have a beautiful fried catfish, and as you saw, it wasn't really difficult. This is an old technique. It works like a charm, produces a very crispy crust, and it's delicious. You really need to try this one, because once you've had catfish fillets that are done up like this, you're gonna love them. Folks, thank you very much for watching Texas Cooking Today, for watching this episode. And if you would, please enjoy your catfish. Oh, man, that's good. Folks, you have a good day. I'm going to enjoy my fish. It's really an amazing sculpture, isn't it? Beautiful cattle drive sculpture that we have right here in downtown Dallas. These are full life-size cows, basically. These are Texas Longhorns, is what they're representing here. And that's exactly what they look like, guys. And they are that big. Okay, hey, folks, thank you for watching. This was a lot of fun today. If you didn't get all the information you needed, check out my next episode. That's a tutorial on this exact same recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please take a look at my channel. And if you would, please share this video. Folks, you have a good day. Bye-bye.